All right, we'll do a tutorial for Jane in Jane's Isolation Part 2. We're coming from here. We're doing our walk around, fall apart thing. We're thinking phase, okay? And then Alice comes out. This is not the moment for Alice to appear. She shouldn't be here while you have a nervous breakdown, but she is. And she's gonna get in the way, and that's gonna be a problem for her. So you kind of go duh, 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 duh. Now this movement, you don't want to be too petulant. So this would be too petulant. So we're gonna push the arm back out. We're gonna lower the shoulders, okay? Let this arm be soft here, okay? And then you are looking away and your eyes are down, but your chin's only a little down. It's not here, okay? So here, and then for the next part, you're gonna take your chin and you're gonna go in a J motion, down and lift, okay? So like, da, da, da. And your eyes should get big and you look back at these girls here, especially Miriam and Elisa, okay? And then you're gonna release, because you're really interested in the fact that they're showing you a mirror of yourself. You're on your right foot now. This is the second measure. You're pushing her hand off on the third measure. Da, 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 da. This is the fourth measure. Da, 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 da. Okay, let's do it with counts again. To be here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 3, 3. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3. Done. So it's actually 5 that you put your foot down. 5, 2, 3, 4. 6, 2, 3, 4. 7, 2, 3, 4. Flip to the right. 8, 2, 3. Boom. Okay? It's either 8, 2, 3, boom, or 8, 2, 3, 4, boom on 9. I think it's boom on 9. So 9, when you're going to go 1, that's 2 chenets in a row around her back, then 3 soutenu. So it'd be here, like that. Hanlier, Boutte, chenet, 1, 2, soutenu, 1, 2, and then 3, you're almost done with the soutenu, and then you take the arms up and over, you step forward, left, right. So the last soutenu goes like this. 3, up and around, left, right, right, left. Okay? Work for those arms. So again, last soutenu, last soutenu, da, 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 da. So this is showing how damaged you are. Da, da. Okay. So we do that. Then you wait a couple of 1 measure while Alice appears and touches you. After she touches this shoulder, you grab it on another measure and throw it down. Then you can turn and go 1, 2, 3. She's reaching for you again. She never lets go. She never figures this out. And you go, count 1, 2, 3, 4. She's right here in your face. She's not moving, okay? 5. And she stumbles away and falls onto her right knee. Okay, so let's do all of that a little bit stronger count. I'm just going to say the ones because it's too much to count all of them. So it'll be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, done. So 4, done, done. So that counts 3 and 4. So it'd be 4, 2, 3, 4. Da 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 da. So that's 5 and 6. This is 7. You're gonna hide. You're gonna let your eyes look from side to side. Then you look right, and then you look left for 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, duh, duh. 13, let me make sure I'm in frame. 13, 14, and 15, 15 and 16 and, sorry, let's do that as counts, okay? So you turn and you go, this is count 16. 1, 2, 3. Let's do that again. We turn 1, we go up 2, 3, we go back 4. She's right here, okay? 5. Then you can come back 1, 2. Okay, the first one you're going, what have I done? Then you're going, oh, it's fine. Okay, then you're going, wait, you're just looking at her, you're not sure, you're not doing anything. And then for 4, you're going like this. You really lift your face and look down, your cheeks at her. And then it would be to the right. 1, 2, 3. And then use your acting, whatever you're going to do, and you run forward. Or part 4.